talking about. You ever seen Friends? Ross moving the sofa. Pivot!
I don't think it'll pivot anymore.
Well, we brought Pivot to West Coast Swing Nick's Nightclub every Thursday. She wasn't expecting me to yell like that, and I kind of threw her off. So tonight's move is all about pivot. How you do this, leaders, this is a really cool move. You need distance on the floor, okay? Traveling distance, either regardless of this, you really got to make sure you have some space. So sugar push, you're going to end up with her right hand only. 2 walks, 1, 2, all right? Guys off the track, to her left, nothing basic, nothing too difficult with that. Sugar push, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you make her do a full turn to the left. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. She continues to turn. But what I'm going to do at the end of that is add a triple step to my left for the last triple. She'll just complete that count. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. I come forward onto my right foot, and I put my hand that I've been connected with up onto my left shoulder. So going this way, front to back, so you can see how I get into that. So off the track, I leave my arm open, and I come through, pulling myself forward on my right, Stephanie's on the left. We haven't pivoted yet. No pivot. So now what we're going to do is, this is going to be something the leaders choose to do. We're going to have a series of walks. You can add more walks if you want. Your call. All right, so on a sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to add 2 walks, but the third step is going to actually be something a little bit more advanced. But we're just adding 2 walks. If anything, it's just to get myself and my partner a little more comfortable with traveling. Okay? So we hope you like this. Leave a nice comment and leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Free video every week. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3. Now what I didn't say there was, I'm going to leave my left arm out. It was up on my shoulder. I leave it out for the third step. For her, something new is coming, okay? Because 4 is going to be pivot. She didn't come ready for that. So look at it with a little bit more speed for the pivot. So sugar push, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm pivoting my right. That pivots her to her right. Okay, so going front to back. So you can see the pivot. We're going to go a little slower. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I got to get myself ready. So 1, 2, 3. I'm getting myself ready and making her go ready. I'm forward on my left. She's forward on her right. And we're just going to pivot the other direction. Okay. So it's got to be smooth. Too close, you're going to bump into her. But you're pulling her forward on that last step for the pivot because you're going to send her through at the end. So the rest of it is sugar push. 3 and 4. 5 and 6, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple step, triple step. It's a series of triples for her. Guys, just continue to lead her down the track with the left hand, the one you've been using the entire time. This is pivot. So shirt push, 3 and 4. So you need energy, you need the walking. Okay? The prep on here. Prep, turn, triple, triple. Okay, if you don't give her that prep, it just doesn't work. So let's go front to back. Sugar push, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Walk, walk, prep, turn, triple, triple. Okay? So that's the key. Pivoting obviously is the key to the move. Traveling with some distance, pull her through for those last triples. Last time. Sugar push, 3 and 4. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I step through. Walk, walk, step. Pivot. Triple step. Triple step. I've yelled pivot like 12 times. She's going to have earaches after this. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like pivot. If anything, just yell pivot on the dance floor. It'll freak out your partner.
Yeah.
So thank you, guys, as always. We love your support. We will have something for you new next time. I won't yell or scream next time, I promise, unless you want me to. Have a great week, and as always, keep dancing. Pivot!